Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Chichair brand, their mesh office ergonomic desk chair with back mesh and lumbar support, flip up arms, adjustable height, floor safe wheels, supports up to 270 pounds. This is a pretty high quality chair. I assembled it just now and I'm testing it, and I'm going to have the full assembly at the end of this video and my rating also. This company will help you if there's any missing parts. Just contact them. They'll immediately send out replacements if necessary. But putting this together was really easy, and all the parts were there. There was even some spare parts. So this has a breathable mesh back and ergonomic design, provides maximum comfort. The front seat reduces pressure and fatigue in your legs and helps increase leg circulation. Armrests make you feel comfortable all day, and you can flip them up and over if you want. We're going to show that. It's a comfortable and durable chair. You can offer hours of sitting without feeling stiff. And the mesh seat is nice and flexible. And as I mentioned, 270 pounds. There is a typical, so let's take a look at this. Let's rotate it right here so you can see the arms on here, the way they work. Let's change the angle. Very nice. I like the way they put that piece right there. Very nice. I like the way they put that piece there. It looks nice. And you can see they just lift up and go out of the way or come down just like that. Here is your valve you control right here, which allows you to lift, raise, and lower. And then this whole thing is on a spring mechanism, and you could sit in there and move it backwards like that. And then on the bottom there is a spring adjustment, like most chairs. You can tension it. Here the back has the lumbar piece right here. It's a piece of plastic that is contoured inward. You can see how the back looks on the other side here. It is an open mesh design, which actually is nice because it allows you to breathe on your back so you don't perspire. And this is extra padded on the bottom with memory foam type of padding on there. And if you look at the bottom, it has nice wheels and nice wide metal pieces on there to allow it to roll. And of course the whole thing rotates quite easily like that and moves around on the floor and on carpeting also. Very simple, very basic design, but functional. I also like the way the chair looks. If you look at just the way the chair looks overall, it's kind of high-tech looking. So if you have an office, you want to have some chairs, it's really high-tech looking and really a good value for the price that they're charging. It's a good value. So just got in the mail the mesh office chair, and it's all packed in that nice, relatively compact box, and it was sent in this larger box to protect it. And here I'm opening the box, and everything is all organized inside here that you're going to need to install this. We're going to open this up and start the installation. So here I have everything laid out. Got the instruction book right there, all the components on my table, and I'm going to assemble them all. I'm going to show you some close-ups of each part. Just wanted to show you the wheel so you get an idea what it looks like. It's a dual wheel, and it has a different kind of material on here than the normal wheels, and they're saying that this won't damage your floor, and it looks really nice quality. There's a hardware package that has the hardware you're going to need, and then everything else is here, the cushions, the seat portion right there, and the unique arm sections. And so we're going to get started on this. So step one they're showing right there is to assemble the center leg holding to the legs, and going to be securing it with, they're calling J. So J is on this sheet, on this section right here. We're going to be picking the correct one, to install it. And you can see right there, there's J times 10. So each piece is going to slide in, and you see that there's 2 screws right there. We're going to be putting the J screw in there using the included tool. And it looks like that once you tighten it down. We're going to do that for all the 5 legs. And just to note, the top plastic piece was on here. It's going to go back on after we do all the legs. But if you notice, the angle is downward, and that's how it's done. So you see the angle of where the wheels go, and then it's angled downward like that. You don't want to install it like that with them going upward. So now we have all 4 legs bolted on. Next thing you do is you press the wheels in place, all 5 of them. I have all 5 wheels on, and you pop the plastic piece on top. Then you take the gas cylinder and you press it in place, and friction holds it right into that center hole. Next we're going to be installing step 2, and that is the armrests. There's a left and a right. We're going to be using the included bolt L and the cap M, and you can see that you have the back piece right here, and then we're going to be installing this one on the right. It lines up with those holes right there, and then we're going to be doing both sides just like that, and that's going to be the left and right arm supports. So there is the right hand side. I've got the 2 bolts, or 2 nuts, the 2 bolts in place. Now we're going to put the caps on, and there's the 2 caps to make it look really nice. So there's a front view of the left and right legs installed. You can see the symmetry right there. Now we're going to be installing the center section, which has the tension adjustment and the lift. And there is the word front on here, so I'm going to line that with the front and use 4 of the included K bolts to install that. Once you've installed and tightened those 4 bolts, then you can take the base, which has the wheels, and you're going to be plugging it into the hole right there, and then gravity will feed it in, and you're all done. So after building and testing the Chichair brand, their mesh office ergonomic desk chair, what do I think about this product? I like it. Simple to install, put together, very easy. I like that mesh back on there, the ability to lift up the arms. Everything about this is nice, and it's really high-tech looking. The cream color on there on the wheels, and this cream color here on the arms, it actually looks really nice. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you liked this review and thought it was helpful, please hit the like button. I hope the information here I presented helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.